Welcome everybody in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you Sahara AI. It is going to be they are providing testnet airdrop. So now their whitelist is um, launched, so you can join their waitlist and being part of their early user, early part. So how do you do those stuff? I will show you visually. So if you don't found this offer link, you can check out description box. You will find our telegram channel. In this telegram channel and walk through that link, and here you will find your ultimate link, Sahara AI. So, and first thing first, click on this little bit form option in here, and your page will be pop up. So here we are in here. So put your first name. So I'm putting my first name, Ranga, and here last name, finance. Okay, around finance, and putting my Gmail, this on, and then are you interested in anything? Sahara business, Sahara personal. Are you interested in personal or business service? Sahara business. Okay, so company name if applicable, Ranga Finance. Okay, Ranga Finance. Please drop a few lines about your use case if applicable. So I don't want to do it, so click the submit button. So thank you for reaching out. Bam, your work has been done. So I'm again saying, if you don't yet found this offer link, check out description box. You will come into here. So totally here, this channel. So welcome, and I will every day I share one video every day. I do share airdrop video, testnet video. If you noticed our channel, all about the airdrop testnet. So it will be worthwhile to join in this channel because that will make you money. Okay, so check it out.